Good evening, student. I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss on topic electronic configuration. Now it is very short form to write electronic configuration. Now you see 1s2 1s2 that is equal to He. He we know that it is a noble gas. So here its value is 1s2 is equal to He. That means it's equal to 2 electrons. Like this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 that is equal to neon. It is also a noble gas. So it is equal to 10 electrons. Now 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 is equal to argon here, that is equal to 18 electrons. Now we see that here some elements are given in which its electronic configuration is also written and its short form is also here given. How to write in short form in very short times. Now you look hydrogen, which Z of 1 we write 1s1. Now here 1s1. Like this helium, which Z of helium is 2, so we write 1s2. Now in this form we write 1s2. Here we write from lithium to above elements, we write in another form like this. Z of helium is 3, so we write 1s2, 2s1. Here 1s2 is equal to helium and escaped it, 2s1 is left, so here 1s2 is equal to helium and last the outermost shell 2s1, we write it 2s1. Helium is in bracket 2s1, so it is equal to lithium. Now beryllium, Z of beryllium is 4, so we write it 1s2, 2s2, we write helium 2s2. In short form, Z of boron is 5, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, we write in short form helium 2s2, 2p1. Now next element carbon, its Z of carbon is 6, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, we write in another form helium 2s2, 2p2. Now next element nitrogen, its Z is 7, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In short form we write He 2s2, 2p3, that is equal to 7 electron. Now next oxygen, Z of oxygen is 8, we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Now in short form He 2s2, 2p4. Now 2, 2, 6, 4, 8, it is equal to 8 electrons. Now fluorine, Z of fluorine is 9, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, and we write in short form He 2s2, 2p5. It is a short form. Next, neon. Z of neon is 10, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 in short form He 2s2, 2p6, that is equal to 10 electrons. Now next, sodium. Z of sodium is 11, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1 in short form. Here neon is taken because it is equal to 10 electrons, so we write neon 3s1. It's very short form. Now it saves time to write electronic configuration. Now Z of magnesium is 12, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Now in short form neon 3s2. Here that is the equal to neon, so we write it Ne3s2. Now Z of aluminium is 13, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. So we write neon 3s2, 3p1. Now next, silicon. Z of silicon is 14, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. So we write in short form Ne 3s2, 3p2. Now Z of phosphorus is 15, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Here neon, that means here 10 electron is equal to neon, so we write neon 3s2, 3p3, that is equal to 15 electrons. Now next, sulfur. Z of sulfur is 16, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So we write it in short form neon 3s2, 3p4. Now next, chlorine. Z of chlorine is 17, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So we write in short form neon 3s2, 3p5. Now next element, argon. Z of argon is 18, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now we write in short form neon Ne 3s2, 3p6. Now next, potassium. Z of potassium is 19, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Here it is equal to argon, so we write in short form argon Ar and 4s1. Now calcium. Z of calcium is 20, so we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So we write in short form argon 4s2, that is equal to argon, so we write Ar 4s2. It is very short form to write electronic configuration. So if you like this video, you write in comment section, and thanks for watching this.